and chat with Tania.
Okay guys, so walking on the Fort Charles beach, it is wonderful, you know, but as I was told, it is one of the most dangerous beach. This is one of the most dangerous beach in Jamaica. One of the most dangerous beach. This is a beach where you can't really swim in it, but a lot of persons, they do swim in it, but they are the swimmers. Okay guys, so the Fort Charles Beach is located in the Treasure Beach area. It is closest to the communities of Williamsfield and Grand Valley. The length of the beach stretches a distance of approximately 460 meters, 1,500 feet. The average width of the beach is 8.5 feet. 28 feet, approximately 4,000 square meters, 1 acre, is considered usable beach area. The natural sediment of the beach consists of dark brown fine to medium grain sand. A small natural gully enters the sea at the eastern end of the beach. There are trees on the beach. Sand dunes are located on the beach. However, they are concentrated on the western bluff and are fairly vegetated. Coral reefs may be found at approximately 60 meters, 200 feet offshore at the western end of the beach. Small patches of seagrass are located approximately 150 meters, 500 feet offshore. Sightings of crocodiles have been reported. The beach is located off the main commuter roads. However, the beach is easily accessed off the parochial road. Now, I traveled to another area to get a different view of the beach. This area shows natural beauty and reflects how wonderful the beach is. It has stone walls that are similar to a castle. And after going down the steps, you can see a shower area. This gives a beautiful view of the beach. The sea becomes rough anytime we talk. So if we talk loud, the sea will get a little rougher. I am trying to understand why this is so. But anytime we talk loud, laugh, anything that we do that make a sound, the waves start to get a little higher and a little bit rougher. Visiting Port Charles Beach in St. Elizabeth. It's a lovely beach. It's beautiful. I love the environment. I love the feel. I love the way how it is, and it is definitely a relaxing and great place that I think that I would want to be more often.